Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you have earned the ProAdvisor badge or the ProAdvisor certification on QuickBooks and you want to claim the full benefits of being a ProAdvisor on QuickBooks as an accountant, then here's how you can just do it. So once you have got certified from the QuickBooks accountant, so you can go to the quickbooks.institute.com/accountants where you can swap your badges here and certification that can help your client to trust on you, and you can actually showcase your skills as an accountant on QuickBooks. So here how to claim the QuickBooks ProAdvisor benefits. To claim QuickBooks ProAdvisor benefits, you need to be part of the QuickBooks at ProAdvisor program, which is available to accountants and bookkeepers using QuickBooks Online Accountant, the QBOA. Here's the step-by-step guide to claim and access your ProAdvisor benefits. Now, step 1 is join the QuickBooks ProAdvisor program. If you haven't already, then you can go to the same URL that I have shown you, then where you can simply click on Get Started. Then click Sign Up for free or Get Started. Then create an account or login using your Intuit credentials. Then you'll be taken to QuickBooks Online Account and access it anytime on this URL like www.quickbooks.institute.com/accountants/product-solutions/accountants/online. Once you're in QBOA, you are automatically enrolled in the ProAdvisor program for free. Now, step 2 is earn points to unlock benefits. ProAdvisor benefits are tier-based: silver, gold, platinum, and elite. You earn points through adding clients to QBO, passing certification exams, using QuickBooks tools, and retaining active subscriptions. Track your points and tier level in QBOA ProAdvisor, then go to Benefits tab. Now, step 3 is claim specific benefits that access your benefits like open QuickBooks Online Accountant, then go to the ProAdvisor tab on the left. Then click Benefits to see free QuickBooks Online app and payroll subscriptions, marketing and training resources, certification badges, free desktop software for higher tiers, dedicated support. For free software, you have to do is go to ProAdvisor, then you can find the benefits, then where you can find software. Then from there you can download QuickBooks Desktop Accountant or QuickBooks Enterprise or Payroll based on your tier. Claim license directly from there. For certification and training, go to ProAdvisor, then go to Training. Enroll in courses and take certification exams. Certifications earn points and boost your ProAdvisor profile. Now, step 4 is promote your ProAdvisor status. After certification get listed in the Find a ProAdvisor directory, go to ProAdvisor, then go to Profile, where you have to complete your profile like photo, bio, services, etc. that can hook your clients. Now, opt in to be searchable. Now, here is some tips for you. That certification give you the most benefit: free software, visibility, client trust. Keep your certifications current to maintain directory listing. Use your ProAdvisor documents to offer wholesale billing for clients and earn recurring revenue. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.